Hey, what's going on, Rico gang? Welcome back to my channel. Today we back with more NFT education, all right? And today we're gonna talk about the NFT social marketplace, Socialouge, okay? Now, what it says is rule Web 3.0 and earn. Become Socialouge's NFT owner and rule this social NFT marketplace. But let's talk about what it is first. Let's watch the video.
Leonardo himself would check this out. Socialouge, the first platform in the world which provides unique, non-fungible tokens for art objects.
Okay.
After you create another masterpiece, you can simply picture it and make its own NFT on the Socialouge portal. Come up with a name and description, indicate your fee and royalty, which you will receive for future purchase. By purchasing your masterpiece, the client automatically receives a token along with it. This will be proof of the authenticity of the creation and protection against counterfeiting.
Okay.
You will receive your royalties after completing your art project or after any tangible art gets a new owner, no matter how many years have passed since the NFT's creation and first sale. Art doesn't require sacrifices anymore. It just needs a cool NFT platform. Register on Socialouge and turn your masterpieces into a real asset.
Okay, that's pretty dope. All right, so let's check it out more. Okay, we'll take a look at the platform, we'll take a look at the white paper, but they've been on all these huge platforms, so that lets me know that they are legit. Okay, and then now, what are Socialougers? Socialouge NFT grants you a seat in one of the world's first virtual DAO Senates, consisting of only 10,000 NFT holders. The Senate is a place where platforms governance has been given into its people's hands. Socialouge NFT also guarantees active and passive incomes paid in the SLG tokens earned by voting in the DAO Senate and staking your NFTs. It's not your average NFT marketplace, all right? So other NFT marketplaces are gonna be, I know the one that comes to mind first is OpenSea for me, but there's several others. At Socialouge, you talk, trade, build communities, and rule all in one place, all right? So save the date. On the 29th of December, the first 1,000 Socialougers NFTs will be released up for grabs. Use your chance to be first in line to rule the platform while earning money at the same time. Okay, so these are all pretty cool. Okay, the benefits, the DAO. Every Socialouge NFT holder becomes a member of the DAO Senate. The DAO Senate members participate in major Socialouge platform decisions. So what that is basically the type of community that any of us want to be a part of. A DAO is basically where we all, if we're part of a crowd or community, we have control. There's not one person at the top making decisions. So of course the definition is way more complex than that, but that's just, you know, how I dumb it down. NFT holder earning, be active and get paid for it. Stake, holders are able to stake NFTs for additional income. It's paid in the form of their tokens. Royalties, Socialouge will use royalties to buy floor NFTs and reward its users with tokens. All right, token. The Socialouge token is its platform utility token that serves as an additional currency in the marketplace. Users are able to tip content creators with Socialouge tokens. It's also the main currency in the Metaverse, in the Socialouge Metaverse. All right, now recognition. Socialouge appreciates and values every NFT holder. Because of that, each member gets the Senate member badge. In this way, everyone in the platform can see who has the power to shape the future. All right, then you talk about the Metaverse. The Socialouge Metaverse aims to give its users much more powerful experience than any other metaverse out there. It will be an exciting space, open for its users to explore and for Senate members to meet, host events, and have open discussions. And then 1 and 2, 1 equals 2. Socialouge launches a DAO Senator's Assistant NFT collection. Every actual NFT holder will be rewarded in assistance. NFTs can replace DAO members in the voting and receiving awards. All right, so 1, social network. 2, marketplace. 3, metaverse. Take a sneak peek at the Socialouge Metaverse. As if building the social NFT marketplace isn't big enough, Socialouge is taking it into the Metaverse, talking trade, build communities, and rule all in one place in the Metaverse. Reality is boring, so we invite you to take a walk in our dually world, all right? Lose the sense of reality and dive into the immense experience of Socialouge Metaverse using all your 5 senses while you leave your mind behind, okay? So here's our roadmap. at quarter one and through 3, which we've already passed. They just do the research, set up legal matters at the same time. Then follows the stages in designing and developing Socialouge platform while implementing the experience of top-notch advisors, okay? All right, so 2021, quarter 4, the finalizing of blockchain implementation into the platform, which allows us to launch of the Socialouge beta version not long after the release of Socialogger's NFT collection and crowdfunding website. Finally starting to develop Socialouge Metaverse, all right? 2022, the first through the second quarter, long overdue Socialogger's NFT sale in DAO Senate establishment. Soon after that, the release of the Socialouge's token and the launch of the full version of the platform. Next, public and DAO Metaverse launch will be followed by token stake and tips functionality integration. All right, now quarter 3 through 4, the launch of the Socialouge app for iOS and Android. Oh, so they're coming with an app, advancing the community's functionality, introducing group chats, private groups, and members recognition via smart contract. All right, integration of NFT collections, launchpad functionality, finally blockchain integration into Metaverse, and then at the top of 2023, further platform direction will be depending on the voting and the decisions. All right, so here's the team, and here's just some more type of stuff that I'm gonna have you come look if you want to get more deep into this project. All right, now they have a white paper, which honestly the benefits for holders is the most important part. That's the part that I spent the most time on. And then here's just sort of a beta version of this platform and how it's gonna look and feel. So man, y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about this project. I think it's definitely something to keep an eye on, but it's ultimately going to be up to you all. So let me know what y'all think in the comments. I love y'all. Let's get it.